Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales. Up for sale today, this 2024 Chevrolet EQUINOX LT package. Gonna go ahead and give it a quick walk around. Then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Really in beautiful shape. Really nice condition. This one has parking sensors front and rear, backup camera. Really nice condition. Good miles on it. Very nice shape. All right, let's start up with the front bumper. Front bumper's in beautiful condition. Look at that. Really nice shape all the way through. Amazing condition there. Very nice. Take a look at the headlamps. Beautiful shape. Grille looks beautiful. The other headlamp also in beautiful condition. Check out the lower lights. Look at the parking sensors there. Very nice. It's got a plate holder in the front. The other light here with the parking sensor. Very nice. Another one here towards the center. Take a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful shape. Really nice condition. Super clean throughout. Very nice shape. All right, let's take a look at the front fender for the driver's side. Beautiful shape. Very nice. Has a little imperfection here on the paint. Besides that, looks good. Driver door, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Does have a small dent right here. Not sure if you can see it. Small dent right there. Rear door on the driver's side, beautiful shape, clean throughout, very nice condition. Quarter panel on the driver's side, beautiful shape. Does have a small little dent right there. You can see there, a small little dent. Nothing major. Take a look at the rear. Rear hatch looks good, very nice condition. Let's take a look at the lower bumper. Beautiful shape, parking sensors in the rear. Very nice. Take a look at the glass. Also beautiful shape. Clean throughout, amazing condition. Quarter panel on this side looks good. Very nice shape. Nothing to show there. Rear door on the passenger side, beautiful shape, clean throughout. Does have a small little dent right here and here. Two small little dents. Nothing major. Take a look at the front door on the passenger side, beautiful shape, clean throughout. Front fender on the passenger side looks good. Does have a little tiny mark here on the paint. Besides that, looks very nice. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the roof. Roof is in good shape, has a couple small dents here. Another dent over there. Give it a quick walk around here, see what else we see up here. Overall in nice shape. Does have a small little dent right here. Another one right here. Besides that, looks good. Let's take a look at the windshield. Windshield's in beautiful shape. Looks brand new. Not a mark on it. Very nice condition. Let's take a look from the other side. Looks amazing. Brand new. Beautiful condition. All right, that concludes our walk around on this one. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, and then we'll take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Driver door panel looks amazing. Really nice shape. Take a look at the armrest. Controls, beautiful shape. This one has a rear power hatch. A little bit of storage there in the door. Very nice. Power seat for the driver. Two-tone, really nice cloth seats. Beautiful condition. Full set of floor mats, dashboard, steering wheel. Looks amazing. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side door panel in the front. Beautiful condition, clean throughout. Really amazing shape. Take a look at the controls, the handle. Beautiful shape, a little bit of storage there. Look at the armrest, amazing condition. Passenger seat in the front, beautiful shape, clean throughout, very nice condition. This one's a manual seat, it's very nice regardless. Dashboard, steering wheel looks good. Rugs are in beautiful shape, full set of floor mats. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door panel. On the driver's side, door panel's in beautiful shape, look at that. Armrest is in beautiful condition. Controls for the power window. Take a look at the handle. Nice storage in the door. Rear seats are in great shape. Super clean. Very nice. Full set of floor mats, dashboard steering wheel, air conditioning vents back here with USB plugs. Super nice. Let's take a look at the liner for a minute. Beautiful condition, looks super clean. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door panel on the passenger side. Beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Really amazing condition. Look at the handle. Armrest is in beautiful condition. Very nice. All right, take a look at the rear seats. Rear seats are in beautiful shape. Really amazing condition. Super, super clean. Very nice. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2024 Chevy EQUINOX LT package. Key fob has lock unlock, remote start, power hatch, and panic. Okay, so we're going to set the key down right here. Check out the button. We're going to press the brake. I'm going to press the start. Starts up perfect. Look at that. Amazing. Look at all the gauges. They go all the way up and back down again. That's the way GM checks, make sure all the gauges are working. Super nice. All right, let's take a look at the cluster here. This one has 17,377 miles. Super nice. RPMs, miles per hour, temperature, fuel gauge. It's got a little information center here. We're going to click through it real quick. Right now it's showing miles per hour. Let's get a little bit closer. Okay, shows trip computer 1, trip computer 2, fuel range, that's a nice feature on that one. Oil life, tire pressure sensors all the way around, fuel filter life, average speed, and timer. So we go click here to the left, got some more options here, you can go through that. Back again, go back to information. Super nice. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and leave it on miles. There you go. All right, so let's check out some of the other features. It's got the lane alert right here. There's a collision detection thing here, so you can set it up for closer or further away. Further away is safer. That way it lets you know what time. And this is the lane alert, so you can turn that off if you'd like, but it's always good to have that on. Super nice. Control for the wipers. Turning signals. Let's give it a test. There's one. There's the other one. Highlights. Super nice. All right, let's take a look at the automatic light switch down here. You have your power windows, power mirrors, power lock controls, power rear door controller right here. Super nice. Steering wheel's in beautiful shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. We control the information center with this. It also has the speak commands and to hang up your phone if you're talking on Bluetooth. The collision alerts in the center. This is for the cruise control. Steering wheel's in beautiful shape. Take a look. Leather wrapped. Looks amazing. Looks brand new. This one has 16,000 miles in it. Steering wheel looks brand new. Look at that. Amazing condition. Okay, dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Dashboard's in beautiful shape. Take a look. Very nice condition. Let's take a look at the radio. Radio's in nice condition here. So you have all your sources here, which is AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, and Bluetooth. You go back again. That's what it looks like for the radio. Your station's up on top there. Let's go back to home. Phone settings. No phone is paired right now, so that's generally where you see the phones that are paired. Wi-Fi settings. Super nice. You want to subscribe to that. System, the apps, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Let's check out the collision detection. So we have forward collision detection system, forward pedestrian detection system, lane change alert, rear backup camera with symbols, and cross traffic. Super nice. Now this one's nice because you have the touch screen up there, but if you don't want to touch the screen, you could use this down here to do that, which is super nice. So this is the screen for the radio on this side. On this side, it shows you whatever's on your phone. See your Wi-Fi settings there, your temperature outside, the time. Super nice. Okay, this is the bypass for the engine. So when that's on, it doesn't the vehicle doesn't turn off at the light. So right now, it says auto stop off. And there, it's on. See that? Fantastic. Okay, so climate control AC. 2 zones, one for the driver, one for the passenger. When you turn the dial here, It turns the temperature, and you can see it up on top here also. 66 degrees on this side, 62 on this side. You can adjust it and it shows right on top. Heated seats on both sides. Super nice. Driver and passenger, heated seats. You can sync the AC for everything to be the same. Also front and rear defrost, AC controller there, the fan power, vents, and automatic if you want to have it on automatic. Super nice. Parking sensors button here is on right now. You have your USBs there, auxiliary, little power plug there in case you need it. Automatic transmission. I believe this has manual shift modes here. Power brake release. Really nice storage compartment with light. Let's take a look up above here. Sunglass holder, super nice. Take a look at your OnStar buttons there. You got your courtesy lights up there also. Lets you know if somebody's sitting on the passenger seat there that the airbag's on, if you have a small child or whatever. Vanity mirrors with LEDs, super nice. Let's take a look at the liner. Liner's in beautiful shape all the way through. Looks amazing. Really nice condition. Well, that's pretty much it on this one. I'm going to show you really quick the backup camera, put it in reverse. But we'll also take a look at that now when we take it for a test drive. Okay, you can see all the features on it right now. And like I said, this does have a push button start. It's right there. Okay, fantastic. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to go ahead and take it for a test drive in a minute. Okay, ready to take for a test drive. Here we go. I'm going to put it in drive. Oh, in drive. There you go. All right, let's take it for a spin and see how this baby drives. It's super quiet. Feels nice and smooth. Check the brakes here at the stop sign. Stops very nice. All right, let's go ahead and see what this does. Oh yeah, this one drives nice. All tires are matching. They're all Michelin's. Really great tire brand to have on there. Drives amazing. So smooth. Love the way it drives. Really nice display. It's got all those tech extras. The Wi-Fi, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. All that good stuff. It is pretty quick. Super nice drive. Okay, next step, we're going to go ahead and test out the backup camera and give that a little try here. So we're going to go ahead and test out the backup camera. Here we go. Let's find a little spot here. Put it in reverse. It is in reverse. Here we go. Take a look at that camera. Oh, really nice. Nice view there. Going straight back. Okay, so this is another feature. It does have front and rear parking sensors. As soon as something's getting close, it'll go ahead and beep, and it'll show you here on the cluster while you're driving where you're getting close to. So as we go further back, there's some bushes back there. It's letting us know we're getting too close to the bushes. So you got the warning there on the cluster, and you have the warning on the screen. Super nice. Really nice. So this is the forward one. It goes back to normal. Still shows you the backup camera to keep driving out. That pretty much concludes our test drive. Super nice. Everything's fully functional. No issues at all. Coming up next, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the engine compartment. cargo area and those tires. We'll be right back. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and open up the rear hatch, take a look at the cargo area. There's a remote for it, lock, unlock, remote start, and power hatch. You press the power hatch twice, door opens up right away. Look at that. Take a look at the cargo area, it looks super clean. Really nice condition. All right, let's take a look beneath here. It's got a little storage area here. And beneath that, that's where the spare tire is. Spare tire and jack is down there. Super nice condition. Extra clean. Look at this. Very nice shape. Now let's go ahead and close the door. It has a button here to do it, or you could do it with the remote. Very nice. Fully functional. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look on the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful shape. Really amazing condition. Super clean throughout. Very nice shape. Really nice condition. All right, let's take a look under the hood. Look at that. Emission sticker right there. Beautiful shape all the way through. Very nice condition. Super clean. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. On the driver's side, tire's in amazing condition. Looks brand new. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Good amount of tire tread on this one. Look at that. Very nice. Does have a couple imperfections on the rim here. A couple scratches here and there. Besides that, looks very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Good amount of tire tread on there. Looks brand new. Tire's in great shape. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Not a mark on it. Let's take a close look. Very nice condition. Look at that. Beautiful shape throughout. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the passenger side, beautiful condition, very nice shape. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Look at that. Very nice. Let's take a close look here. Not a mark on it. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. Front tire on the passenger side, beautiful condition. Really amazing shape. Look at the tread on there. Looks brand new. All tires are Michelin. Rim's in beautiful condition, super clean throughout, not a mark on it. Very nice shape. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2024 Chevrolet EQUINOX LT package. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out, really in nice shape. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. Great used auto sales.com. Thanks for watching.